Hello there, internet friend. Thomas here from Software Junkie, and in this video today, I'm just going to be giving you a quick live demo of how to cast your VR Oculus headset onto your computer or your smart TV. It's very simple and very easy, and yeah, let's get into it. The first thing that we want to do is go to oculus.com/casting. Let's go there. Cool. So share casting to this private link from your headset. Now, you're going to want to make sure as well that you're logged into your Oculus account. So usually if you're not logged in, it'll say log in via Facebook. Do that and then shablamo. You should have a screen that looks like this. And when you're using your Oculus headset as well, you should be logged into the same account that you're logged into on the computer. Okay, so that is step one. The next step is to actually get into the headset. So let me just have an update just finished happening on this thing. So I'm going to get my screen recording up. Okay, and here we are. Now let's get to casting. So what we've got down here is our main menu. The button that we're looking for though is this sharing icon, okay? It's a little pink button with a white arrow on it. We're gonna click that and this menu is gonna pop up. So you've got three options up the top. You've got cast, take photo, and recording. I'm obviously using the recording function right now to record what's going on the screen and show you this. But one thing to note about this as well is only one option works at a time. So if you start casting, the recording will stop immediately and vice versa. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click cast and this little menu is gonna pop up. So you've got available devices, and depending on what's available, you're obviously gonna have that in the list. At this point, we've got computer and we've also got the Oculus app. If you have a smart TV, you will be able to select smart TV as well and start casting to your television. However, in this video, I'm just showing you how to cast to your computer. So I would click computer and then next. Now, when I do that though, I will automatically be swapped over to my screen and the recording in the headset will stop. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna click computer, we're gonna click next, and it's all gonna start happening very shortly. 3, 2, 1. Yep, and there we go. I'm now casting on my computer screen, as we can see. Pretty nifty, hey? It's pretty simple all up. And obviously, if you want to stop casting, you can just come in here and click stop casting, and your computer screen will go back to the normal casting screen that was just on there. And as I'm back in here though, you can't see any recording happening whatsoever. And that, my friend, is it. That's exactly how you cast your Oculus 2 headset to your computer or to your smart television. I hope you enjoyed this video and it actually helped. If it did, please make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more software related tutorials. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.